kit from the Bulawayo end in terms of the sponsorship that we received from Sakunda. What does that say to the Highlanders family?
Thank you. This is a milestone for us for this season. This kit has come in a bit late because of some logistical issues that are associated with the theme of our season. But thank you very much. The kit is here. Thanks very much to Sakunda and Better Brands for the support that they've shown to us. This kit is 300% increase from last season's kit, which means the sponsor has put in more money, the quality has grown by 300%, the price has grown by 300%, and clearly those who have seen Highlanders play this season, you can see the performance has gone up by more than 300%. So we're happy.
Do you mind saying the figures? 300% of what? How much?
See, the beauty about statistics is that they make you sound intelligent even if they don't mean anything. I am saying the kit that we had last year, whatever price it was, has gone up in value. The kit that we have this year, if you compare it in price to last year's, this one is 300% more expensive. Quality, 300% better. Performance of the team from last year to this year, 300% better. Need I say more?
Any update maybe on the replicas, when people can get Tama replicas?
In 2 months' time. Again, this was disrupted by the Ramadan and such holidays, because this reporting took time.
Are we likely to see the team putting on this kit at the Independence Trophy final?
It's always nice to surprise people. We were hoping for anything. But who goes to Edgar and buys whatever, a nice suit and not wear it? But I'm not saying they're going to wear it on Independence Day. Independence Day is Christmas for us as Zimbabweans. We will be in our best. We will be 300% better than we were last season.
Thank you for answering that.